Sometimes vacation plans change. That's why we've made it easy for you to cancel a reservation on WorldMarkByWyndham.com. Start by logging into the website. You'll see a cancel option next to each upcoming reservation. On your dashboard, on your reservations page, and on the reservation details page. Tap the cancel link to pull up a quick summary of your reservation. In this summary, you'll see the amount that will be reimbursed to your account or refunded to the original form of cash payment. If you're canceling after the cancellation deadline, you'll also see details about what may be forfeited in addition to any refunds. The vacation credits you used to book your reservation may have since expired. If that's the case, you'll receive a message instructing you to use the credits by the end of the day. Once you've reviewed the summary, tap Cancel Reservation to proceed. And that's it. Any credits or housekeeping services will be reimbursed immediately, just in case you want to book a new vacation right away. The next time you need to cancel a reservation, visit WorldMarkByWyndham.com.